What's up, YouTube? Mike with another video. Today I wanted to do a video, just not say random, but what's going on with me today. It's Friday, May 3rd. I just left a refrigerator call with a damper control assembly. Fridge section wasn't getting too cold. Wanted to make a video just on what I go through daily. Like I've always probably said, Appliance Repair Talk, just talking. Got a job. Just got a call from a warranty company from a call that I sent in maybe 2 months ago on the cooktop was cracked. Now, mind you, a lot of warranty companies don't want to cover certain things like gaskets or cooktops or things they think are caused by customer neglect or natural disasters, stuff like that. But they called for a cooktop. Now, when I sent in the claim, the cooktop was $298. I checked it today. The cooktop was $323. So that's part of the issues you got with working with warranty companies. It's a lot like the call I just did with the damper assembly. That was a COD. Easy, get my money, keep it moving. That's the best things about having COD calls is just nowadays in social media, there's so much companies out there, so you really got to be on your P's and Q's out here and do what you have to do. Make sure that anybody with the issue, you take care of it. I mean, some people you just gotta leave them be, let them deal with another company. I tell that a lot of times. There's a lot of companies out here, you don't have to deal with me, but those kind of people tend to deal with me because you just got to be honest and want to help people. So I think getting into this industry and you wanting to help people will help you grow exponentially. It'll really make you grow faster. Trying to make these videos, I don't want to say too educational as far as learning how to fix things rather than learning how to run your own business and the things you should expect when you're running your own business. Like, for instance, I'm going on vacation, and the reason why is that I picked a good time. I picked this time of year right before when summer really fully kicks in. It's I don't want to say slow, but I can take advantage of that time where I can take a Wednesday off to the weekend. That's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then a weekend, and then I'm back Monday. So you gotta, I'm not gonna be making money then. So I don't have anybody running jobs for me or anything like that. And this is probably the first vacation I've taken since I've been in business. So that's gonna be almost 2 straight years of just grinding out, no vacation at all, And one thing you gotta expect, I told myself if I was working 7-8 calls a day for a company, I'm making a good living, he paid me a good living, but at the same time, if I do that for myself, oh man, so, and that's how I see it nowadays, because 7-8 calls a day for me, that's lovely. That's lovely. And if it's warranty mixed in with COD work, it's lovely, or if it's all COD, that's lovely too. Sometimes it all balances out. So I'm taking a little vacation. Sometimes you gotta rest your mind, come back to do it, but I feel like I earned it. I put in a lot of work. Only you know when you feel like you earned something, and that's just pretty much it. Been getting a lot of work this whole, I want to say from January started up until a week ago, maybe. Last week was the last full, this week I'm kind of slowing it down. So today I only had 2 jobs. I don't have any jobs until Monday. Monday's the last day I'm working, and then Tuesday, because I didn't want to have any jobs that are hanging out there. And I do have a couple, but they're going to be for the next week after. I already know what, it's a warranty jobs, and some parts are on a back order, and she's all right. So I already let them know. And today is Friday, so I called them this morning and said, hey, your parts on the 5 to 7 day order is going to be for a dishwasher control board through the warranty company. That's the thing too. When you have, I don't want to say you treat all calls the same, but when it comes to warranty work and you have that call and you already got it authorized and you're trying to finish it up, that's your call. You got to finish up that call. For them to get it reassigned, you really have to be not know what you're doing or asshole or whatever the case may be. Be good with your customers, and they'll be just let them know what's going on. Sometimes you can push some jobs a couple more days over. Sometimes, but key thing is the faster you do the job, the faster you can submit it, the faster you can get paid. That's how it goes. In my prior videos, I already said warranty companies 30 days, sometimes 45 days. So you got to be prepared for those. But I know when I come back, I'm gonna have checks waiting for me. That's just how it is. Wanted to elaborate on in the last video what I work on, or what I enjoy to work on, are older appliances. Because a lot of times you can test things, you can bypass things, you can see how things work without each other or how they work. When it comes to these electronic control boards and just, I want to say just computerized appliances, because nowadays they're all computerized. Excuse me, it's basically a computer running the appliance. So you have to, a dryer is going to be a dryer. It all works the same to dry the clothes. Now, how they dry the clothes is going to be different from each dryer, just like how electric is different from gas. Now the newer ones, they implement more more sensors, thermistors, and thermostats, and gas has flame sensors, and there's a lot of things you have to know in between. But technically, if you have a dryer call that says not getting hot, there's only a couple things that'll cause it from not getting hot, not running. There's a couple things that'll cause. Once you know how an appliance works, a washer washes, all of them do the same. It's just now how it does it that's what you have to find out. That's the technical standpoint that you have to have within you to want to go look for that knowledge. You'll find it if you look for it. I'm telling you. There's been times when I was stuck, went on, I searched, even if I got a clue to where I needed to look to, at least I got a clue, and I can start from there. So there's ways you can learn this industry on your own if you really want to do it. Like I said, for me, I got lucky. I got with it. I don't want to say lucky. A lot of guys, there's a lot of opportunities out here if you're really looking for guys to find a job in this trade. Work with a company for a couple years. If they pay you good, and that's like you're getting paid for your schooling. That's how I started. I was getting paid for me learning a trade, but I was still working. So that's the best way. People, they ask me questions. Some guys out of school, and the guys that are out of school, I feel like they have a step up for the guys that don't know anything. Because if you don't know anything, you're trying to learn, then just go out there and you gotta have you gotta be good technically. You have to have technically. You gotta know. Like before I started doing an appliance repair, I had technical knowledge. My dad, me and him fix houses. He's a mortgage broker, so he fixed houses up. I knew electricity, how to put in outlets, how to wire in circuit breakers. So I knew how to use a screwdriver. You know how to your way around tools, and you're mechanically inclined. You can do this job, but that's not all it takes, to be the best, to really succeed. You have to have customer service as well. You have to be willing to always yearn for knowledge, always try to, I'm not going to say like I said in other videos, I always put myself to be the best. I know I'm not the best out there because that's only my personal opinion for me to say that. But to be the best, is a fact. That's a fact in my mind, to try to be the best. So if there's a problem that I run into and I don't know, the way my mind works, I want to know. I want to know how to fix it. I want to know. So I don't like when things beat me. And that's what I feel like one of the key things you need, not just in appliance repair, but in anything that you do in life. You know, you can't just attack something and be half-assed, you know? So I want to that's pretty much me today, what I wanted to talk about. Tomorrow's Saturday. I don't have anything worked out tomorrow. So I get a lot of calls too on Yelp. So sometimes I'll get a call and then I'll go do that job the same day. You know, depends on what it is. But after Monday, I'm shutting down for the rest of the week and enjoying my vacation. And you got to make sure you set your voicemails to let people know that you're not in and you'll be back at a certain time. All the jobs that you do have lined up, you make sure that their part is going to be in such and such day, and then we'll set them up this time. So that's the best advice I can give you guys if you ever thought about taking a vacation, because you know I'm working on trying to hire somebody maybe after summer this year, where I have time to really have more time to train. And you know there's only so much you can do on your own, and I realize that. But honestly, it's kind of like subject to opinion, because I can probably live the rest of, you know, building up myself and doing it on my own. I enjoy doing it on my own. I enjoy having the control to, you know, my customer service. Because when you have a hiring somebody and you train up that guy, you kind of know there's always going to be a time where something might happen that's outside of your control, and a customer leaves a bad review because of your technician. Now, it might have not been anything he did, or it just works out like that sometimes. And I've been there working for a company, and for me personally, I always got good reviews. That's one thing I can say I excelled in, as far as people like me. I'm a likable person. I don't mean to be like, but as long as people like you, there's been times when people like me and I got into Appliance and didn't know what I was doing, but I figured it out, you know, as I go and as you learn. But the person, when they like you, they want you to come back. They just feel comfortable with you in their home, and that's a fact too. I can account to that. It's happened to me plenty of times. So, guys, I want to say this trade is a great trade to get into. It's not the easiest trade because you have to adapt to the changes. But I feel like with any trade that you get into and you learn it, it becomes easier to do, as with any trade, you know? So it's the same thing with appliance repair. One thing with this trade is that everybody has appliances. Everybody's always going to have appliances. Whether it's not everything, but either a stove or refrigerator. Some people don't have dishwashers, but you got a stove or a refrigerator. You might not have a washer and dryer, but those are the things that you gotta take account when you're doing this. Like, there's always going to be a need. There's always going to be a need for good ones, and I point that out to. There's a lot of technicians but there's not a lot of great ones, and not a lot of good ones, or ones that you can always call on. There's times where I have to tell people over the phone, say, hey, I can't charge you a service cost for that. All you have to do this, and this. It's just, that's just how I don't chase the money, because it's always going to come once you do honest, good work. It's going to come. I don't know, for some reason when I first started and I had that fear of failing, or that fear of, like, you know, my next check coming. When you work for a company, you're so used to getting checks for so long. I was working with this company for well over 10 years, 11, 12, I want to say 11. And you're so used to getting a check. Even before that, doing little, you're used to getting a check. Now you have to make the checks happen. You know, that's just pretty much it. And there's always a fear of that. I want to say it took me my first 6-7 months to really realize, like, hey, you don't have nothing to fear, man. You got this. Just do good work. Know that your earning potential is infinite, and you'll be fine. There's always going to be hard times. You have to prepare for those hard times. Because, you know, I'm thinking about I hope I don't break my hand or do certain things, because that's on me, you know. Getting sick, I got to get out there and go to work when I'm sick. You know, there's been times where I was sick that I had to reschedule jobs for the next day, but maybe one time that happened, you know, so that's pretty much it. But I love sharing with you guys, and if you guys got any questions, just ask me, even in the comment section. It doesn't matter to me. One thing I'm going to say is that I'm not worried about sharing information with people, even in my same area, because at the end of the day, everybody's not the same. How I implement it, another person might not. How I'm vigilant at certain things, another person might not be at like that. For me to succeed, I know what it took, and I know what it takes. So I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to still, like, I'm sitting here making a video. If I wasn't making a video, I've had my phone playing a YouTube video of some appliance. Whenever I'm in the van, I don't even play music. I play something with appliance news, something that even if I'm not listening, I'm subconsciously getting that information that I might, you never know, I might need it. So that's the whole point I try to make to guys. I'm like, you have to immerse yourself fully in this trade. Like, if you want to do it, you gotta eat, sleep, and breathe this stuff. Like, I'm constantly at home. Even my daughter's like, looking at parts again. I'm like, yeah, because I'm trying to see where I can get this part, that part, build up my inventory. So, like, since I got this van and me building up the inventory for it, my first call completions have went up drastically. I don't want to say drastically, but instead of getting, I don't do the percentages. Let's just say instead of getting one or two, I don't want to say one or two a week, because sometimes it might be a week I might not get none. It might be a week I get two, but let's just say one a week. You know, now I can calculate it as maybe 3 or 4 a month, you know, as far as where, I'm not going to say where it's not first time completion, because a lot of times I have to order control boards or certain type of ice makers, but when it comes to heating elements, idle pulleys, lid switches, water pumps, I keep a vast amount of water pumps, those things, first time completion. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to finish off the video. I'll see you next time.